Hi friends, today I am showing Citron trimmer. This model name is Citron TR002. This is a most stylish and sleek model. I we brought this model and showing unboxing today. And charging indicator, charge metaverse, universal voltage 102 warranty 2 years. And this is the specifications. Detachable head for easy cleaning, streamline, slip headline, combo range, accessories, cleaning brush, and then the features, slide for switch, super low noise, detachable, imitation comb, high speed motor. Let's see the unboxing. Hey, this is all. Okay, and this is a beautiful trimmer. And this is the trimmer accessible kit. Oh, nice hamper. Whenever you are surrounding your hair, it is will be very useful. Nice color. And this is the trimmer and accessories kit. Let's see it. This is the stylish and sleek Citron trimmer. Very nice and pretty look. Okay, nice. Pleasantly, really started. There is some charging is there. And these are the charger. And these are the blades. See how many blades is there? One, two, three, four. There are 4 blades are there. And brush to clean the edges. Whenever your trimmer, it will be some hair pieces are there. You will be clean till the brush. Yeah, it is absolutely clean. This is one of the most Indian oil. It will be pollute this oil, and this machine will be works very fluently and neatly. Okay, nice. And these are the bones. A trimmer, hammer, and trimmer. But looks very nice color to me. Pleasantly is there. Yeah, this is the charger, and this is the brush, and this is the one blade, second blade, third blade, fourth blade, and this is the third. Thanks for watching this video. For Bye.